可以。高啊他。
Oh, you want?
You like Wood City?
Oh.
Yeah, let me know if you like.
Okay, thank you.
Since 1991.
1991.
Yeah.
对，这是森林湖一个农贸市场。
它在它
每年
体育公园里头。
对，它是这个公园是这边的一个城市的公园。就是你只要是在这个城市里的话，它是这种开放式，随便都可以来的。然后它是每个周四下午，4点到8点，我刚刚看了一下，4点到8点。
今天是周三。
今天是周三啊，周三下午4点到8点。看了一下4点到8点，咱们过来探一下。
现在好像比刚才那个
差不多
摊子多了。
刚刚开始嘛。哎呀，珠宝，第一家珠宝，看看。
Hello guys.
Hi. Nice to see you.
Yeah.
啊，这很老外呀。
对呀。
Okay, thank you. 啊，你看这儿还有卖充电桩的。对，充电桩。哎，有酸奶，先看看都有啥，对吧？啊，这是卖果汁的。啊。
That's a new type of camera, is it, huh?
Yeah, we're just doing a YouTube channel to like the new movers here to let them know there's a like a marketplace.
Farmers market.
You
Yeah.
guys moved from? Where's your accent from?
Originally China.
Where in China? Like mainland China? Like Hong
Yeah,
Kong?
mainland.
Okay, like Wood City?
I don't think you heard about this city. It's called Yantai, a really small
I've
country.
got friends who are Hmong.
What?
Hmong people. They're by the Yangtze River.
Yangtze River?
Yangtze River. Yeah, I think so. They are from the mainland area.
These people. I'll show you.
Mm-hmm.
I know a few actually.
Oh, I
I know
know.
a few.
Yeah.
So
You know,
so-
many of them are from in the
Very
Wisconsin.
little people.
Yeah.
They are very generally small, right?
Mhm, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
They do gymnastics. You know. Suni Lee.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
She won Olympic medal.
Gold, right?
medal.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's this?
what is
Pineapple,
this?
apple, lime, and ginger. Let you try it. Try it.
Okay. Pineapple one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like pineapple?
Yeah, absolutely.
Try this one. Pineapple, apple.
So you come here every
Every Wednesdays,
every-
4 till 8.
every Wednesday?
Oh, thank you.
咦，好酸的。
It's good, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Hopefully next
Never.
year. Right. Never.
Good. Wow.
这个已经是我能。
My friend, his family does a TV show in China.
Really?
Yeah, I'll show you the show.
How's your business like every week?
This is my friend's
Pretty
show
good.
in China. You know that show?
I know.
My
Actually.
friend, his dad makes that show.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. How do you know him?
He went to film school in LA.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really, thank you, friend.
Yeah. Nice talking to you.
Nice to talking with you. 我觉得这个味道还不错哎。这个我来不了。这个是个那个墨西哥菜的那个类似于沙拉的东西。看看，转悠转悠。哦，里边那儿也。
Purple rain. Yeah, that one's really cute.
不行，那个不行，那个
Dragon
太。
fruit and sugar.
Hi, for tacos?
Tacos, yes.
Yeah, let me see.
2个5块，
对呀、看看要什么味儿的。
它这是什么？好像是2个味儿。
Actually, which one will be the popular one?
Well, I have a pastor,
Mm-hmm.
which is pineapple, like a chorizo. We put pineapple and onion,
Mm-hmm.
carnitas. But obviously, we have also the asada, which is beef and chicken.
Yeah, I prefer like the taco. Can I try two of them?
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Of course.
Okay, for
What can you?
the one you recommend.
Pastor?
Yeah.
Hey, Carlita?
Mm-hmm.
Not in my time, huh?
How's business like every week?
Well, right now, for the time, of the month, it's kind of slow. Pero in the summer, it's really hot.
Right, I know like the environment is so nice. It's my first time being here actually.
Yeah, that's good, because we're here for almost 5 years.
Oh, 5 years.
But we stopped because the weather.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially for right now, the weather is a little bit cold here.
Correct.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
I was salsita. You like hot or mild?
Cut.
Hot?
Yeah.
We will put out to keep it warm, okay?
Okay.
You can try. Let me know if you like it.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, you want to know?
How you doing?
Good, good.
What can I get started?
For the yogurt, especially for there like any like vanilla flavor, similar as that one.
Yeah.
Hi.
Anything else? $10 5 orange. 75 cents each,
Riverside.
3 for $2. Yeah.
Oh, not Orange County.
How much per package?
$10.
$10?
$10.
Mm-hmm. So here's 20.
Yes. 20, 10.
Mm-hmm. 有点多。
是。
Yeah, it's a little bit more for us. 哦，这是蜂蜜。Is this honey same as this one?
Yeah.
Let me see. How?
5 cents each or 3 for $2. Honey sticks.
Yeah. Hey, can I get 2 of it? Just, 3个5块，不是3个2块。$2 for 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay. For you. So, okay. Thank you.
How can we take it? Just put it in the water or
You eat it?
You know, just drink it, fine 吗？
drink it like
Honey.
Oh,
你没吃过蜂蜜，
it's new for me.
你是小蛋
看看这个蛋多少钱
，6个4块，一打12个8块。
是更便宜还更贵？
更贵啊！
更贵的
哦，对，
是吧
哦，干
就是这个地方其实应该会比超市是更贵吗？
我感觉应该是比超市更便宜，应该是叫水萝卜。
让你走近点儿。
哎，搞个水萝卜吃。哎，你吃过这个东西没有？
我没有。
你没吃过啊？
嗯。
搞一个。
3块钱。
3块钱一个。Excuse me?
Yes.
Yeah, can I get one of this?
Yeah.
这小水萝卜没吃过？
但是我也不想尝试。
尝一个嘛。
好。
我这玩意儿蘸酱菜老带劲了。
You like two?
Just one is fine.
I mean 2 items. Mix and match.
Another item.
你还要啥？没了呀。你有
1 basket? Yeah.
I mean 这个
你要吗？
how do
这得炒啊！你会炒的？
Or Brussels sprouts,
啊，那反正。
broccoli,
对
celery.
对，这个重点讲述一下。我跟你讲，这个老难吃了。Probably actually I don't cook, so I know I can eat that by fresh like salad.
just have one?
Yeah, just one more that.
Yeah.
我只想买一个。
Where do you get this vegetables?
Where? Ontario.
Ontario.
Yeah.
Ontario? Oh, so people just bring everything. $5, right? Oh,
Sir.
thank you.
Have a nice day. Hello, how are you?
安大略弄的。哎，早知道拿根黄瓜了。没事。
The strawberry.
这个是一定要买的，
That?
对不对
How about that one?
？3个15，
I'm so sorry. Yes.
整它3个呗。整3盒草莓。
Good.
给。A。挑一挑，哪个好 ？So do you come here like every week?
Yeah, every Wednesday.
Every Wednesday?
The strawberries are also from Ontario.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this one, and that one.
Oh, you want
this one, and this one?
要。啊，你要蒸？
You want to try
不行，这个不吃。那你试吧。要。
Thank you.
Yeah.
Homemade. Wow.
来一个。
I've got some apple caramel open. I've got some lemon. I've got some Bisco.
哦 ，homemade。
Yeah.
尝一个吧。
What about blueberry? Do you have?
I've got mixed berries. So it's gonna be mixed berries. Yeah.
你看可以尝一
This
下
one's。like mango.
Mango.
Oh.
And I've got lemon. I've got lemon open if you would like to try it right now.
No, I don't like
You
lemon.
don't like lemon? Okay, no worries. Are you guys vlogging or what?
Yeah, we are doing vlog and just help people to understand this area.
Very nice.
Yeah, people just new move here. They don't know this area.
Yeah.
They don't know the market. And can we try the mango one?
Let me see if I have it.
Yeah.
Alright. I'll open a mango one for you guys.
How much for?
It's $7 each or full for $24.
尝一下。
There you go.
是。尝一下，看看感觉如何。Oh, okay, thank you.
Yeah.
它上面那个 cake 很不错。
嗯，
它上面那个酱感觉。
咋感觉？我感觉应该是 good。
Yeah.
嗯。我觉得有点酸，可以再甜点。啊，不行，这种是那种老莫的，对。啊。我听到你发出了一些奇怪的声音，来尝尝。那这论罐卖。
哦，是这样的。
对。
是 milk 我就不要。
不是 milk。你看，哎，它好像是 milk。问一下。
那个是你可以试试。
Excuse me, this simple?
The plain coconut milk.
Okay, plain.
And that other one's vanilla.
vanilla 和那你尝尝 vanilla。
我要尝我那了。它是属于椰奶，我感觉。这是自己做的，你看你上面那个标志是它呀。
It didn't fall or anything. It was just gone. Hi there.
Hi.
It's also homemade. You made
Yeah, it's the regular candy and I freeze dry it. So what my freeze dryers do is they take any hard, sticky, or chewy candy and they make it like crispy, airy, and crunchy. I'm one of the original freeze dry candy sellers. I've been doing this for 8 years now. In January 6th was my 8th year.
Wow,
So,
happy
yeah.
anniversary.
Yeah, thank you. We know
That's
this
been
is
a
Like the logo?
This is my logo. Yeah,
Is this you?
yep, that's me.
So
That's
cute.
me.
Yeah, I can tell. That's what I said. It's right over there.
That's me. You can't tell from here.
So good.
From here you can see
Oh,
there's
so
wrinkles under the
cute.
eyes. So yeah. So we have a sampler pack. It's a really great way to learn about freeze-dried candy. So it's got a handful of Skittles, handful of sour Skittles, either a gummy peach ring or a gummy shark, a fruit roll-up, and about one of everything else we do sell. Yeah. It's $10, and then everything else has its name and its price in front of it. I like your little camera thing. What brand is that?
Insta 360.
Yeah.
What is it called?
She bought it.
Insta.
Insta?
Insta.
Okay.
It's
you know
like
what, I'm gonna have
Instagram
to-
Insta.
Oh, Insta. Okay. So
Yeah.
yeah. I'm gonna have to look up at that. That's
Yeah.
cool because that would be really cool when I'm making my
Yeah.
Yeah, just show people how you
Yeah.
make it.
because it gets really hard when you're trying to move a tripod around, especially when you're trying to move 2 tripods around
Yeah.
and another little tripod over here to
Yeah.
get the food. That's really cool. I have a what do you call it? No, I can't remember what it's called. The little one.
GoPro?
Yeah, GoPro.
Yeah.
And I have the head thing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Put it on
I-
your head right here.
Yeah.
But I've had it where I do this and I'm like, uh-oh, whoops, I didn't get up here or I didn't get down here. So
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to try
Yep.
a lot of times and then to see which one works the best for
there
you.
you go. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, my son uses them for that GoPro for his pool business. He owns a pool business, so when he's out doing his pools, either cleaning the pools or repairing them, or installing filters or installing a new pump, he will actually do that, and he puts them all on his Instagram as well. But he uses that, and he's got the one that actually has a waterproof casing, so he'll have it mounted on his pool pole. And then he goes and it goes underwater so people can see that he has this thing called a shark fin that goes under there and they can see everything and then swooping up all the debris.
Right, nice.
Yeah.
Like in Southern California?
Oh yeah,
Oh.
yeah, we're right over the hill here.
Oh, right. So you live right here?
Yeah,
So
I'm
it's
local.
really close.
I am local. 3.5 minutes away.
Oh, yeah, really
go
close.
around here, go out on Lake Forest, make a left. The very next street, my street.
No, yeah.
Nice.
So it will be like close and
Yeah.
easy to be here.
Yeah, I'm also over at the Irvine Great Park Farmers Market every Sunday from 10 to 2. Yeah.
Maybe we can see you
Yeah.
over there.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, sure.
How
Nice.
do you like Lake Forest?
Huh?
How do you like Lake
Oh, I
Forest?
love Lake Forest. I've lived here, I don't even know how long now. Oh my gosh. Since 1991.
1991.
Yeah, beginning of 1991. My son was 3 weeks old when I moved here, and he is now 33 years old.
Yeah, so sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a long time, and I know the environment like totally different from when you've been here and right now.
Yeah.
It's growing a lot.
Oh yeah, it has. It's grown a lot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's huge now.
Yeah.
It used to. I mean, all of this was not even here when I moved here.
Right.
I mean, on this side, that was because I actually lived there back
Yeah.
then too. So yeah. But none of all this was here. The Marine base used to be down on the what is it, Tribuco and Bake right there. No, Tribuco and Alton. Sorry.
Oh.
Yeah,
okay.
that started the Marine base. So where all of the what do they call that? Like where the Great Park is, all that whole area, that was the Marine base.
Nice.
No.
Yep. Yeah. Yeah, at nighttime you could hear the jets coming in and the big aircraft carrier going out. I don't think not aircraft carriers, what are they called? They're the big helicopters that actually carry the other helicopters. Yeah.
History.
Yeah, it's history regarding there because right now you no longer can see that
Yeah,
anymore.
Yeah, so we have everything from, I mean, the Skittles, sour Skittles, spicy chamoy Skittles. We've got lemon heads. We've got the sour, I can't talk today, the sour wild berry Skittles. We also have the Nord gummy clusters. I don't have regular. I sold out of those. We have one last strawberry and two wild berries. And then we've got the milk duds. I sold out of the Jolly Ranchers already. We've got the fruit roll-ups. We've got airheads. We've got the Lucky Charms marshmallows. I have all strawberry hearts right now. And then I've got the gummy worms, gummy sharks, gummy peach rings.
你要买这个吃啊
I
？OK，
also have a mega pack.
还有钱吗？
有，那必须。
买个这个。
你要这个呀？我刚才忘
Get
了。
those? Okay.
Yeah.
Let me grab
我跟你说，我听他的意思，好像这个更带劲。
This
就是
one's
这个是
better?
秀，类
You
似
want to do
于
the sour one too?
I mean, this one. Which one do you think is better? This one or this one?
Oh, definitely this one.
Really?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a totally different flavor experience because this is sour and crunchy, light, crunchy, airy. This is a very slight strawberry taste. Slight, like more vanilla than strawberry. If you've ever had Lucky Charms cereal, the marshmallows, that's what this tastes.
So we can.
You want to do those? Okay.
OK, thank you.
Thank you so much for coming by today. I really appreciate it.
No problem, thank you.
Have a good night, okay?
You too, thank you.
now.
OK。
回去走，然后吃你的塔串。那边有座位。哇，这个狗好高啊，它。
酱。
酱。
已经压扁了。No no 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 no。
那让我来仔细看一下它这个 taco。
它是2个。
哦，
这边是一个，来，一人一个。
是什么味儿的？
它完了，我记不住了。
哦，你全部你吃。
为啥全部是我吃？
因为我不吃葱。哎，这公园这位置还挺好的。
这边。
你看这环境多好啊！等一下。
我喝。
可以。是吗？吃一坨这个肉就是了。看看这个草莓。
好吃。
这样的3盒。这个就是你说的那个萝卜，是吧？看好不好吃？
你
我不要，你吃吗？这个还可以。
我在这儿吃过最好吃的，
是吧？
我在美国吃到最好吃的草莓。那这边的草莓发酸。